Welcome to dailyRish. So by now you must have realized that I was successful in at least managing my timeline up till the moment that I paid off all of my suppliers, I got my goods released from the factories, and I got them shipped towards my freight forwarder's warehouse. Now the good news that I received in the last 24 hours was I received the tracking codes for all of my 3 shipments. So actually 2 of the products which are being shipped are of this new brand that I'm trying to launch in February, and 1 of the shipment is actually for the current product that is already live on Amazon. So 3 of my shipments are now successfully placed on the boat. All right, so they are now successfully placed on the boat. I've received the tracking codes, I've received the tracking details for it. I will put a screenshot right here so that you understand how does it look and what do I get if my shipment is sent through boat or ship, however you want to call it. So that is good. I've kind of managed my way up until this point, and my shipping company has also given me a FedEx link which I can actually use after it's picked up by the local FedEx agency once it hits the USA port. All right, so once the ship reaches the USA port, the goods will be deboarded, they will be put onto the port, and then from there FedEx will take over for ground delivery and then ship it to Amazon. So when FedEx picks it up at that point of time, this link that my supplier has given me will become active, and it will show me the live tracking details of all of my shipments. So they've also given me an estimate. It's about 25 to 30 days. It's usually the same. I've already done ocean shipments with the same freight forwarding company in the past, so it's not a new deal for me. But yeah, shipping 3 shipments at the same time by ship, that is extremely new. It is extremely exhilarating. And yeah, like I'm curious, like this is like kind of happening in autopilot now. Now everybody in China is on holiday, right? So my freight forwarding company is on holiday, my factories are on holiday. So before they went on holiday, I actually did ask them like, how will you be able to coordinate with me or regarding the shipments, and how will you manage actual delivery if you're on holidays? So they affirmatively responded that it's kind of going to be working in autopilot once they put it out there on the ocean. Unless there is any issues with the customs, it is going to be going through as smoothly as any other shipment. It is going to be picked up from China and dropped in the USA port, then picked up by FedEx, because everything is scheduled and every party or every agent in between knows what they are supposed to be doing. All right. So apart from that, all of the documents and all of the customs related clearance is always managed by my freight forwarder. I do not know how it all kind of works together, or actually the point is that I don't even need to know, because my freight forwarder is somebody who takes care of it, and that is how I have delegated all of this kind of thought process and all of these big points for the ocean shipment to them. Right, I really trust them. They are not the cheapest, but they are very proactive in helping me out, and they're very proactive in ensuring that shipments get delivered promptly. All right, so if you want to connect with them, let me know in the Republic of Sellers group. I will get you connected with them. I've already tried to I've already gotten a lot of people connected with this company, and some of them have actually used them for their shipping for their products to ship them from China to USA. All right, so that is dailyRish 26. That was the update. Now, even though my shipment now this is the important part. You need to subscribe to the channel, because from now onwards, from this day until the day my shipment actually reaches USA, then until the day my shipment actually reaches Amazon's warehouse, I have a lot of time at my hand. All right, so I'm going to use this time and do a lot of things regarding brand building, regarding social media, regarding promotions. Maybe I'm actually going to be creating a website for my brand. I'm actually going to be trying to create some traction before the launch itself, and maybe have a list of customers already in place before the product goes live for them to purchase and buy. So if you want to be updated about that, if you want to follow along with me in that journey, because this is the actual phase of the private label business, which is super critical, because this is going to evaluate and this is going to tell you how well your launch is going to be. So we are heading towards launch, and I don't want to say anything more. Subscribe to the channel. This is Rish signing off once again from Republic of Sellers. I will see you on the other side of the boat. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Adios.